Good afternoon, everyone. This is, let's get it to start. Start. There we go. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. It's 1 p.m. Eastern Time, which means it is time for One Mind Wednesday. I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am at the Hardy Hall Gallery at the Ramsdell Center for the Arts in Manistee, Michigan. And there is an exhibit that just opened a few days ago called Woodwork. And I love trees, I love wood, I love this beautiful built out of wood baby grand piano, the wood floors. You can't see the whole room, but the lumber baron years were very good here. And this is a beautiful facility. And I thought I'd just do something a little different for some summer fun, change it up a little bit, and offer you, I hope the audio's great in here. I tried some things out yesterday. But this is just an easy summer kind of day thing. And it's really good to just go easy. I know that's true for so much that's going on in the world right now. So I'm just going to offer this song, my song called Wind in the Trees. And if you're in the area, if you happen to be up here, it's a gorgeous place to be. This gallery is open every day from noon to 3, and it's free. Come on in. We'll show you this little card here for Woodwork. 4 artists that have created these beautiful works, just magnificent pieces here. So Wind in the Trees today for you, just something summertime fun. Here we go. In the trees, taunting you, teasing you. Come out and play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you trying to please? A good little student, so well behaved, sequestered with all of your schoolwork. You take extra credit wherever you can, because you must learn, you must. Wind in the trees, taunting you, teasing you. And play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you pleasing today? Can be frightfully playful to a heart like a kite on a string. What would it be you'd let go of if you knew you could have everything? Wind in the trees, taunting you, teasing you. Come out and play. Wind in the trees, beckoning, heckling. Who are you pleasing today? Who are you pleasing today? Wind in the trees. So I hope you'll take a little time to go out and play today. Just take a moment or two. Just easy does it. Easy does it. And come by see this exhibit at Hardy Hall at the Ramsdell Center for the Arts in Manistee, Michigan. If you're around, come on, do it. I'm going to be here through the summer, not every single day, but I'll be here at the piano just noodling and maybe working on some new pieces and taking requests as well. So come on in, and I'd love to see you. So this is Reverend Kid Holmes again for One Mind Wednesday. Remember that we are all a part of the one mind, which means we are all in this together. So kindness matters, and love is indeed the only answer. And I love you all dearly, and I will see you again next Wednesday. Thanks for sharing these videos. Thanks for subscribing, and take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. All right.